Okay, so I already messed up. I started filling before, and then I read turn on before filling. I did read the directions, but okay. So we're gonna go ahead. What you have to do to break it in is to put about 2 cups of grain through it. Here's the reveal. Oh my gosh. You see it? How does it feel? Put your finger in it. Go ahead.
Let me put my finger in it.
Does it feel like flour? Sure looks like flour. Does it feel like flour? Wow, look at that.
It feels like...
This is garbage flour, so don't worry about the kids putting their fingers in it.
It's test flour.
Test flour.
It feels like flour mixed with...
I've had that thing up on top of my fridge for, I don't know, months and months, and I've been like really intimidated using it. I don't know what I thought, but this was just the easiest thing that you'll like ever do. And so at this point, you know, this is garbage flour, but the next time I make bread, will be with official ground flour. So
and also I've seen that up here for years, and I've been thinking if you would use it soon.
Years, months, baby, months. I know it's felt like years. They are obsessed with playing with it.
I got behind.
It feels really good. It feels different
Yeah,
than all-purpose flour.
Like clay mixed up with Play-Doh with flour.
It does feel a little like clay, like a clay, like
Like
dehydrated
the
clay or
softness,
something.
Where very softness hydrated clay
Yeah,
made.
it's pretty interesting.
Yeah, but
So it has a few settings. This is the most common setting that it says. You do this for like beans and larger things that you want to put in here. And then this is pastry super fine, which I think I'm going to be rarely using, but this is like the very typical setting. And then again, coarse for like really much larger grains, beans, things like that.
this is homemade flour.
That's right. This flour needs to be used ASAP. This is not like you're going to grind and store flour. This is flour that you use when you're ready to bake with it. All right, because I'm insane, I'm using my 2000 watt OKMO power station, and this doesn't actually show the wattage, but we have this watt meter down here. The mill, the WonderMill, is connected to it. So as soon as we turn it on, we'll see the wattage pull for that whole minute. Okay, so turn it on. Turned it off, and no dent has been made in the energy usage. I expected, I don't know, a bar to go down or something. This pleases me. It took me about 40 seconds. It took me about 40 seconds to do 2 cups. So you know, we can do some math about how long it's going to take to do 6 cups or 7 cups or whatever I might need for any other bread recipes in the future. So, you know, when we're talking about wattages and energy uses and stuff like that, we're usually talking about in hours. So if I were to let this run for a full hour, it would use, you know, that 900 and whatever I said watts for that full hour. But it's only using it for a minute or 2 or 3, maybe at the max, you know, for like a few more cups. So, I mean, I would be able to use this over and over again with my power station. So that pleases me like big time. Thank you, OKMO. In saying that, you will have to have something that can handle the capacity of that 1,000 watts, you know, or more, you know, preferably a little over that 1,000 watts, even if it's for that minute or 2. It may not drain it, but it needs to have that capacity.
Or when it was running with nothing, and then as soon as you put stuff in it, you can see it shoots up because it goes under load.
Yeah.
And it just sits there and fluctuates until you're done.
This pleases me. I may continue to grind wheat without doing it manually in the apocalypse. Woo! As long as I have sun or something to continue to power that. Thank you all so much for watching Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today. Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye. Talk tomorrow by Preparing Today. Talk to you later. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye.